Hey guys, so if you're thinking about getting the screen protector for your iPad, I have some interesting things to think about. I encourage you to listen to your own intuition if you need it or no. Because from my perspective, you don't need it, just get a really good protective case and be aware and careful when you're using the iPad, then it's going to be good. But if you have kids, if you have dogs, if you're traveling a lot and you're using iPad a lot, then maybe the screen protector is going to be a good thing to have. And primarily, this is just my recommendation, is that use your own intuition. Okay, just try this and it's going to work so well. Take out your iPad, feel the iPad, just close your eyes and ask if the iPad needs the screen protector or no. And the answer will come to you. You don't have to research anything. You got all the answers in the world in you. But we've been always tricked that you have to always follow someone. You have to always listen to someone if this decision that I'm going to do is right. You have the answer in you. All you have to learn is how to feel you again. And there is going to lie all your power. Like in Naruto with Jinchuriki. I don't know if you watch Naruto. And what happens is that Naruto got this seal within him, and what he decides that he's going to be with himself and facing the Jinchuriki with him. What happened is that he found out that in him is the biggest power. This is the same applies to you.